Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angela. Today we're going to be creating this look. It's a glowy, bronzy look, if you want to call it that way. If you guys want to see how I achieve this look, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I just finished doing my eyebrows. So now we're going to get right into the eyes. I'm going to start off by priming my eyelids with concealer. I'm going to be using the Longwear concealer by MAC, and this is the same concealer that I'm going to use to highlight. So I start off by putting a little bit on the back of my hand. Just that. So today I'm heading over to Philly. One of my good girlfriends is wedding dress shopping, so we're gonna go over there to hold her hand while she cries in her dress. This weekend is quite tricky for me because my goddaughter, she's so beautiful, is in town and I have to go to Philly to support my friend. So I'm literally gonna drive there, go wedding dress shopping with my friend. She has an appointment at a bridal shop in Philly, and then drive back to Maryland to hang out with my goddaughter. But no, I'm actually looking forward to being there for my friend because I'm going to be shopping for my wedding dress as well when I come back from Uganda in July. So this will be nice to see what goes behind the scenes and, you know, kind of experience the process before I actually go through it myself. Alright, so I'm going to be using the Bow Smooth palette by Morphe. You know, I love this palette because of the colors. You know, these are my colors. I love me some bright colors. So I'm going to be using that palette. I'm going to go and start off with the transition color. I'm going to be using this bright orange. So it's really important to use a transition color when you're doing eyeshadow because it helps balance your colors that you use on the eyes and gives it that flowy gradient. This is pretty good. I don't know if I should add like a deep red color to just go with that. Maybe I will. It's this color. It's kind of like a very burnt pink shade. So I'll use that and see how that works with that color. Oh yeah. It is doing it. I've honestly realized that I do such a good job doing my eyebrows while standing. My makeup in general, before I started doing YouTube, I always did my makeup while standing. I feel like I'm able to, I don't know, just see parts of my face better when standing than when I sit down. And usually when I'm standing, I'm literally standing by the window, and I have a huge mirror by the window getting all that natural light. So I don't know, I just feel like I do such a better job when I stand. I did my eyebrows while I was standing and I did them like this instantly. Boom. I'm going to be using a Morphe 431 brush. It's a really small brush, and I'm purposely using a small brush because I really want the outer corner color to be really defined. I'm going to be using this deep purple. I really want a sharp crease, which is why I'm using this small brush. So I'm just going to add a little bit of that purple. Blend. And I'm using a Morphe 332 brush. This is the blending brush that I always use. I don't know if you guys are seeing it. There we go. I love this blending brush. I have so much control with it. Apply more concealer on the eyelid. And it's okay if it gets messy at the top. We're gonna clean that up anyways by blending, so no worries. When I apply eyeshadows on my lids, I like using a big brush. So this brush is a Morphe 209 brush. See how it has such a wide angle and like a lot of bristles? See how it's like a big flat brush? Not a big flat brush, but a medium flat brush versus using a small brush. So it gives you control, and then when you put it on the lid, it just expands like that. I like that it does that versus using a small brush like this one, for example. So see the difference? See how small this is and see how this has a lot of room? Yeah. I'm able to define the lid colors better when I use a wider brush. So if you guys want to try that and see the difference, let me know after you do it, if you get what I'm saying, because it really does make a difference when you use a smaller brush, a bigger brush. I'm going to blend everything together. I'm going to go ahead and apply more of that crease color, the outer corner color that I used. I don't know why I keep calling it a crease color. It's not a crease color. It's a color that blends into the crease from the outer corner. Too much terminology. You guys know what I'm saying. So now I'm going to go ahead and apply eyeliner. I didn't think I was going to apply eyeliner, but I feel like applying eyeliner, so we're going to apply eyeliner. Okay? I'm going to be using the e.l.f. liner. I'm going to apply mascara. You already know, you guys, I've been using this. It's Monsieur by Lancome, and I'm actually running out, so I need to go get more of that. I'm going to be using Clinique foundation. That's the Stay Oil Free matte foundation. You guys know that. It's in the shade 29 Sienna. So one thing I like to do during the summertime, end of spring, beginning of summer, is applying the Melanie Mills Glam Radiance. Glam Body Radiance. These things, they just give your body a good glow. And usually when I'm doing my makeup, I like to apply this first, but I forgot doing it. So I apply it first and then I apply my foundation. But because I forgot to do it, I'm going to try to apply it on the areas that I highlight and see how that will turn out. It's really good. I like that the product has really good consistency. It's not too droopy, so it's really good. And I use the shade Dip Gold. And so they have different sizes. They have the travel sizes, which are these, and then they have the regular sizes. I like getting the travel sizes because a little goes a long way, and I get all the 3 shades. I forgot the names, but Deep Gold is one of them. And so, you know, I just use them throughout the whole summer. When I travel, I don't have to worry about just putting it in a little separate container. I have the travel size, so perfect. So you guys should try using that and see. Let me know how it works out for you. I've been using it for a very long time. Alright, I'm still putting on my lashes. Alright, I'm still putting on my lashes. Y'all know it's a process for me. So while I do that, I'm going to go ahead and highlight. I'm using the Pro Longwear Concealer. I showed you guys this. I'm going to put a little bit more in my hand, like that. And then just apply it in the areas that I highlight. And I like coming to the corner of my nose like that. Just give it more definition. So I'm just going in and reapplying the eyeliner in those areas that I messed up when I was applying lashes. Alright, I'm finally done fixing my lashes. Now I'm gonna set the highlight. I'm using the NYX Illuminating HD Finishing Powder. So while that is happening, I am going to contour using the Fenty Beauty Matchstick. That is what I'm using. I'm using the remaining product on the brush to blend out and contour the nose. Alright, I'm gonna set everything out with the MAC Mineralize Skin Finish. Whoa! Holy crap! Mineralize Skin Finish shade dark. I almost dropped my powder. That was not gonna be fun. That was not gonna be fun. And I'm using a Morphe 106 brush. This is not usually the powder brush that I use. The one that I use is dirty, but this just does the job just fine. I'm gonna go ahead and set that contour. I'll be using the ABH bronze powder in the shade Mahogany. And I just go in a circular motion like that. I'm going to use a blending brush that I used earlier for the eyes to just contour that nose and just bring everything down like this, connecting from my eyebrow all the way down like that. Same thing here, connecting from the eyebrow and bringing it down. I'm gonna go ahead and apply blush, Raisin by MAC. I'm using that same brush that I used for powder and contouring. I'm gonna apply my Melanie Nails. I'm gonna put just a little bit. Alright, it's not doing what I wanted to do, so now I'm just gonna use the Iconic London Illuminator drops. Yeah, the Melanie Nails is not sticking. Yeah, I prefer applying it on before my makeup because I get a better finished product when I do it that way. So I'm just applying the Melanie Nails drops around that place. And I'm trying to be gentle because in the past I have noticed patching with this thing. So I always have to be very careful. Just because I have a little bit of patching, I'm going to go ahead and apply my Golden Bronze highlighter by MAC. I am so running out of this thing. I'm just going to do that in hopes to hide the patchy part. And yeah, it just did it. I'm going to work on my lower lashes. I'm going to use a black shadow, and then I'll blend everything in with the transition colors. So the camera died on me and I went ahead and applied mascara on my lower lashes off camera. So now I'm going to, sorry, I just have makeup everywhere because I had it on the back of my hand. Now I'm messing up my entire outfit. I'm going to set the whole look with the MAC Choco Water. And then I am going to apply lipstick. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint. Love this. And this is in the shade Unbutton. Before I do that, I'm going to apply a brown pencil because this is a really bright color and I don't want to walk around with duck lips. It will not be cute. And then I'm gonna finish the look off with the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Yeah, Gloss Bomb. The finished look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked this video and enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and comment, hit the bell for notifications so you guys can get notified every time I upload something new on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe as well to the channel, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.